So smart view cloning. Effortlessly clone your smart views to replicate and adjust your views easily and enhancing the user experience. So we will be speaking about that first. Yes. All right. So let's go to our invoices to take a look into the smart view that we have created right now. So I'll just delete this and we'll get started. Yes. So imagine you're only having a primary view, right? You're just having a primary view and nothing else. Now, let's create a new view. Create view. And let me just name it as B2B invoices. I'm keeping it in a private manner. And let's say ID, company, customer, amount, date, due date, then the status. I think this will be it, right? Let's take GST in as well. Then, yeah, yes, I think this will be enough. And we can add a filter such a way that the GST IN is not empty. Yeah, we'll keep it like that. Yes, everything is good. So we have created a smart view where we have B2B invoices, right? B2B means we have a customer which is GST registered in some way or another. And in such a way, we can easily create a smart view. Now imagine there's a column called due dates. I want to get a detailed view of the invoices which are due, right? Which are due for, for some time. Let's keep it like that. So I want to create a new smart view. So rather than going and creating a smart view, then adding all these columns into it and adding further filters, we can simply clone this view. So when we click on clone view, we can see that the name will be the same itself while during the creation process. So right now we are not providing any name validations. Even if there are duplicate names also, they will be created. All right. So I'll just show it to you like that first of all, or maybe I'll just give a different name itself, dated, something like this. And then you see, if you're cloning the view, the selected columns are already here present. We don't have to select it from here. So we have a bunch of columns on the left side, and we have to select our columns. Now I do know that when you're selecting a large number of columns, it takes a lot of time and effort, and we are just doing redundant work, right? So what is my intention? My intention is that I need to get a list of invoices where the GST number is not empty, as well as the due date is or is before a particular date. Maybe I'll keep it like this, before 1st of March, right? So I'll be getting a list like this. Now I can see that these are all okay, not this one. Yes, this one. So a new invoice smart view has been created very easily. Now I can get a list of invoices which was due before 1st of March, right? That's what I want to get. So here I can see that partially paid, partially paid, partially paid, and 2 invoices are paid. Then there are a bunch of other invoices also. So I can see the one which I have created on 1st of January, sorry, not 1st of January, on 7th of January and 4th of January are yet to be paid. And also in the previous month, there's one is yet to be paid, and there are few, yes, in the previous year which are yet to be paid, so and so. So if I want to create another smart view, I need to clone the view. I'm not going to change the name. I need to add another. All I have to do is add another filter. That's it. I would say that the amount is greater than 1,500. Right. So a new view has been created. Okay, the reason why I just gave the same name itself is that right now you can create, I mean, there are multiple views with the same name itself. For right now, we are not providing some kind of a date validation. So I just wanted to show that. So even I created a new view where the GST number is not empty and the due date is before this. So rather than going and creating a new view in which I have to from scratch add all these filters like GST numbers filter, due date filter, if I'm cloning it, I never wanted to do that. My only step in the creation process is to add this particular filter alone, and that is the advantage of creating such kind of views. Now the next question that everybody will be having is, can I delete these views just like the other one? And if I delete this previous view like B2B, which from B2B I created B2B dated, then I from that I created another one. So if I delete this view, the base view, then will the rest of the views get deleted? No, that doesn't happen, right? I'm just delete at the base view, nothing happened to the rest of the views. I can delete this view if I want to. So no name, duplicate name validation has been provided, and you can simply clone the views and add further layers on top of that without starting the whole creation process of a smart view from scratch. And that is the advantage of smart view cloning.